Hi students, welcome to Future Doctor NEET Academy for the problem solving session in NEET Physics. Topic we are going to deal is chapter 4, moving charges and magnetism. Last day, that is Saturday, we have given 7 questions that we have floated in a YouTube, and today we are going to solve these problems one by one. Let's move to first problem. A long solenoid of 50 centimeter length having 100 turns carries a current of 2.5 ampere. The magnetic field at the center of solenoid is dash. A, B, C, D option is given. I think most of the students found the answer. What is the correct answer? Option A, B, C or D? Yes, it's already I highlighted. D is the correct answer. Let's see how to find this. Solenoid. For solenoid, what is the formula? Magnetic induction B equal to mu naught N I. This is the formula. Mu naught is the permeability of a free space or vacuum. Value given. Sometimes it will be given, sometimes may not given, but we should know the value. That is, mu naught value is 4 pi into 10 power minus 7. Henry per meter is a general unit we use. Here T M A power minus 1. What is T? T is Tesla. Tesla, M is meter, A ampere. So T M per ampere. Okay. And N is the number of turns per unit length, small n. And here 100 turns is given, that is capital N. Capital N only 100 turns. Capital N 100 turns. And small n is number of turns per unit length. That is N equal to N by L. And what's the other data is given? L is given, length of the coil. L equal to 50 centimeter, convert into meter. So 50 into 10 power minus 2 meter. And current is also given, I equal to 2.5 ampere. Just straight away you can substitute. B equal to mu naught, that is 4 pi into 10 power minus 7 into N. N is N by L, that is 100 by L is 50. 50 into 10 power minus 2 into I is 2.5. 2.5. 2.5 divided by 5 2 times. 50 means 20 times. So directly we can cancel like this. This is 20 times. And this 0 getting cancelled. And this 2. So 2 pi into, that is 2 pi value is given is like this, 3.14, 6.28. So apply pi value as 3.14. Therefore B equal to 2 into 3.14 into 10 power minus 7 into 10 power 1, 10 power minus 6, and 10 power 2 comes up. Then 10 power minus 4 into 10 power minus 4. 2 into 3.14, 6.28. This is equal to 6.28 into 10 power minus 4. T is a Tesla. Some place T will be given, some place other SI unit. What's the other SI unit of magnetic induction? Weber per meter square. Weber per meter square or Tesla. So option D is the correct answer. I think most of you got this answer. These are direct simple problems. Let's move to second problem. An electron moving in a circular orbit of radius r makes n rotations per second. The magnetic field produced at the center as magnitude dash. Option is given as A, B, C, D. What is the answer? Which option is correct? A, B, C or D? I think this most of you got answer, I think. Okay. Electron moving in a circular orbit means it provides what kind of force? Centripetal force. And magnetic field produced. So force due to centripetal force, that is centripetal force is equal to force due to magnetic field. And centripetal force is formula we know, M V square by Here small r is given radius, so we'll use small r is equal to force due to magnetic field. What is that? BQV, and V and square getting cancelled. And here what you want to find? Magnetic field produced at the center. Then B equal to mV by Q. And we know formula I equal to Q by T. And Q equal to E. And T is capital T. And from this we can use another method, that is B equal to mu naught I by 2R. And I equal to E by T. And we know the relation between time period and omega. T equal to 2 pi by omega. And what is the relation between omega and the frequency? Omega equal to 2 pi N. So 2 pi by 2 pi N. 2 pi getting cancelled, equal to 1 by N. Substitute this here. Then I equal to just N E. I equal to straight away N into E. Substitute this I equal to N E here. Then B equal to mu naught N E by 2 R. B equal to mu naught N E by 2 R. That is option D. Option D is the answer. Next problem. Let's move to problem 3. A long solenoid carrying a current produces a magnetic field B along its axis. The current is doubled and the number of turns per centimeter is halved. Then the new value of the magnetic field is dash. We know the formula for solenoid. B equal to mu naught N I. N is the number of turns of coil per unit length. Okay. And here two cases is given. So B1 equal to mu naught N1 I1. And B2 equal to mu naught N2 I2. And current is doubled. So I2 equal to 2I1. I2 equal to 2I1. And number of turns per centimeter is off. That is number of turns per unit length is off. Then N2 equal to N1 by 2. We want to find B2 by B1 first, and B1 is equal to B because it's mentioned as straight away B. Then B2 by B1 or B2 by B equal to mu naught N2 I2. Mu naught N2 I2 by mu naught N1 I1. Mu naught N1 I1. Mu naught getting cancelled. Substitute the value of N2 equal to N1 by 2 and I2 equal to 2I1. Then N2 equal to N1 by 2. N1 by 2 into N1 into I2 is 2I1. 2I1 by I1. N1 getting cancelled. I1 getting cancelled. 2 also getting cancelled. Then we will get only 1. B2 by B equal to 1. Then B2 equal to, yes, B2 by B1 or B2 by B equal to 1. B2 equal to B. 1 times of B. That is option D. Option D is the correct answer. Let's move to fourth problem. The magnetic induction at a point P, which is at the distance of 4 centimeter from a long current carrying wire, is 10 power minus 3 Tesla. The field of induction at a distance of 12 centimeter from the current will be dash. First write a given data. That is B1 is given 10 power minus 3 Tesla at a distance 4 centimeter, or 1 equal to 4 centimeter. Then at 12 centimeter distance at R2 equal to 12 centimeter. Find B2. Find B2. What's the formula? B equal to mu naught Ni or I whatever by 2 pi r. Here B and R only vary. All the other things maintain constant. Mu naught is constant, N is constant, I is constant, 2 pi is constant. Then by removing the constant, what you will get? By removing constant, you will get B is proportional to 1 by R, or B is inversely proportional to R. Then B1 is two cases we are having. B1 is proportional to 1 by R1 and B2 is inversely proportional to R2. Then what you want to find? We want to find B2 only. B2 by B1 equal to B2 by B1 equal to R2 by R1 or R1 by R2. That is, B2 is inversely proportional to R2, B1 is inversely proportional to R1. Then B2 by B1 equal to R2 by R1 or R1 by R2. B2 is inversely proportional means R1 by R2. R1 by R2. R1 is 4 centimeter. We can convert it to meter. Same way 12 centimeter, you can convert it to meter. Into 10 power minus 2 getting cancelled. So just straight away I'm writing 4 by 12. Then 4, 3, 12. So B2 by B1 equal to 1 by 3. Then B2 equal to B1 by 3. B2 equal to B1 by 3 and B1 is 10 power minus 3. So 10 power minus 3 divided by 3. It's just like 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is 0.33. So 0.33 into 10 power minus 3. So 0.33 into 10 power minus 3. This is not matching. Try for 10 power minus 4. If you bring one decimal there, 10 power minus 4 means it gives 3.33. Then B or B2 equal to 3.33 into 10 power minus 4 Tesla. So option A. Option A is the correct answer. Let's move to problem number 5. Ionized hydrogen atoms and alpha particles with same momenta enters perpendicular to a constant magnetic field B. The ratio of the radii of their path RH is to or alpha will be dash. Here it rotates in a circular orbit. So here we are going to apply centripetal force, that is mv square by r, small r, because they use small r only, equal to force due to magnetic field, BQV formula. BQV. This V and this square getting cancelled. This V and this square getting cancelled. We want to find R only. So R equal to R, take that side and BQ this side. Then MV by BQ. MV by BQ. B, magnetic field constant. Magnetic field is constant. And same momentum. What is momentum? Mass into velocity. So MV also constant. That is, B is constant and MV also constant. Then by removing the constant, what you will get? R is inversely proportional to Q. R is inversely proportional to Q. R is inversely proportional to Q. So R depends on only charge. Other things constant because they have given momentum is constant, magnetic field also constant. So radius of that path is inversely proportional to only its charge. And now we want to find the ratio between the radii of two particles. What's the two particle here? One is hydrogen atom, another one alpha particle. Hydrogen is H11. Helium, that is alpha particle, is a helium nuclei. He24. Here bottom represents charge and top represents, what is top? Mass number. And here charge only, all depends upon charge Q only. Then R is inversely proportional to Q, as we are having two particle, two cases. R1 is proportional to 1 by Q1 and R2 is proportional to 1 by Q2. Then what you want to find? R1 by R2 or R2 by R1? R1 only RH and R2 only R alpha, or we can change here itself. Or H, first is H is proportional to 1 by Q1 and R alpha, next one is R alpha. Then you want to find RH by R alpha. RH by R alpha equal to Q1 by Q2 or Q2 by Q1. That is Q2 by Q1. Q2 by Q1. Q2, that is second particle. Its charge is 2. That is 2 times of E. 2E. E is the magnitude of charge. What's the value? 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. And Q1 is just 1E. E getting cancelled. Then RH by R alpha. RH by R alpha equal to 2 by 1. RH by R alpha equal to 2 by 1 or 2 is to 1. That is option D. Option D is the correct answer. Okay. Next problem number 6. Under the influence of a uniform magnetic field, a charged particle is moving in a circle of radius or capital R with constant speed V. The time period of motion depends on V and not on R, or depends on both R and V, is independent of both R and V, depends on R and not on V, which is correct option. For this also, just like previous problem, we want to compare centripetal force with force due to magnetic field. That is B Q V equal to M V square by, previously I have used small r because radius is given small r, here capital R is given, capital R, so by capital R. V and square getting cancelled. And here we want to find the time period only. R equal to means mv by dq. mv by bq. You know the relation between time period and the angular velocity or angular frequency. T equal to 2 pi by omega. And omega is equal to v by r. Omega is the angular velocity, and there is a relation between angular velocity and linear velocity. That is v equal to r omega, or omega equal to v by r. Then substitute this here. 2 pi by v by r. Then substitute this r value here. Then t equal to 2 pi into r is mv by bq, mv by bq into v. Here this v getting cancelled. Then equal to 2 pi m by bq. T equal to 2 pi m by bq. So time period depends on r and v, that only we want to check. See, r already we substituted and we cancelled. So time period is independent of both r and v from this formula. Is it so? Because no r here, no v there. Therefore, it is independent of both r and v. Not only time period, frequency also. Frequency and time period is independent of the radius of the circular path and the speed of the particle. And it only depends on m, mass of the particle, and b, magnetic field applied, q, charge of the particle. Depends upon only these three factors. Okay, let's move to last problem. Rectangular coil of length 0.12 meter and width 0.1 meter having 50 turns of wire is suspended vertically in a uniform magnetic field of strength 0.2 Weber per meter square. The coil carries a current of 2 ampere. The plane of the coil is inclined at an angle of 30 degrees with the direction of the field. The torque required to keep the coil in stable equilibrium will be dash. Formula is tau equal to N B I A sin theta. and n is given 50 joules. Directly we can apply. N equal to 50 into B. B is 0.2 Weber per meter square. Already I said B value, unit of B will be Tesla or Weber per meter square. Both are SI unit only. 50 into 0.2 into I. What's the value of I? Current. Current I equal to 2 ampere. 2. Area. Length into breadth. Maybe it's a rectangle. Yes, rectangular coil. So 0.12 into 0.1. 0.12 into 0.1 into sine theta. Theta is 30 degree. So 90 minus 30. 90 minus 30 equal to 60 degree. So sine 60. What's the value of sine 60? Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Then this 2 and this will getting cancelled as 0.6. 50 into 200. 0.1. This will be 0.1. And 50 into 200 into 0.1 into 0.1 into 2 into 0.02 into 0.1 and root 2 we simplify. So 0.1 into this way simplified 100. 0.012 into 0.1 and into 1.732. On simplifying this, you will get tau equal to 0.2078, something like that. That's approximately 0.2. And the unit of tau is N into M. What is Nm? N is a Newton into meter. N into M. So which option? Option B. Option B is the correct answer. Okay. So next day for next class, we'll give as usual same 7 questions in next chapter. Okay. Thank you.